Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Yoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, subject Pedagogy of Biology, and today we will discuss our next topic, that is the project method. The project method of teaching was first propounded by John Dewey. The basic idea of this method is that student can learn a lot of things with the help of association and mutual cooperation. This method promotes purposeful activities through a group of students, and the students will work cooperatively. The students will work together by forming small groups according to their interests and abilities. The main objectives of this method are learning by doing and learning by living together. A project is a wholehearted, purposeful activity proceeding in a social environment. According to the Kilpatrick, a project is a problematic act carried to completion in its natural selection. According to Professor Stevenson, a project is a bit of real life that has been imported into school. Then what are the principles underlying project method? Purposiveness. First, there must be some objective of the project, because the student do that work with more enthusiasm, with has definite and clear objectives. Freedom. The students are free to select the project. They select the project according to their will and they execute it with the advice of the teacher. Third is the activity. Project should be activity centered, because the knowledge gained if activity is stable and useful. Reality. Project should be real, only then student would be able to complete it naturally and in real condition. Utility. The project must process the quality of utility, because the students do the work with more interest, which is useful for them. Then what are the essential steps of the project method? The first is the providing a situation. In this step, a situation is provided to student to think over in choosing some project to work on. They may be confronted with a problem while studying in the classroom, participating in co-curricular activities, and going on excursion, etc. It may force them think about for choosing some projects. Second is the choosing the project. In this second step, student try to choose a definite and appropriate project, keeping in view of resources in hand and the nature of the problem faced in the first step. They are properly guided by their teachers in this selection task, and the aim and objective of choosing a project are properly discussed through group participation. Third is the planning. Project chosen is again discussed in terms of laying down a plan and procedure for the execution of the project. In the next step, students are engaged in execution of the project in a natural way without involving any artificiality. They plan their role according to their abilities and capacity with a true social and cooperative spirit. Evaluation of the project. In this step, the work done on the project is evaluated from time to time. The line of action and mode of execution may be modified on a result of such evaluation. Then last is the recording. A complete record of the work, their planning, discussion on significant aspects, their achievement, etc. has to be developed by the student at the end. Also, they should record the criticism of their own work and the suggestion for the further work. Then the next is the what are the criteria of a good project. A good project can be assessed during the following criteria. A project should be purposeful, useful, and practically applicable to daily life of the students with clear, well-defined objectives. The project should help in providing useful and meaningful learning experience to each other or each member of the group. The project should be within the reach of the student in accordance with their interest and ability level. The project should be feasible in terms the availability of human and material resources and time limit. The learning activity of the project should be lifelike, purposeful and natural. Then the merits of the projects. The project is based on psychological principle. The innate tendency, interest and aptitude of the students are best utilized in this method. Second, democratic way of learning. Liberty, equality and fraternity are some of the cardinal principles which form the basis of project method. Right from the selection of the project till its execution, students are provided sufficient freedom for thinking, decision making and going ahead in their assigned task. All these students cooperate in a common project according to their taste, temperament, ability and capacities. Development of social virtue. Many virtues essential for good citizenship like self-confidence, tolerance, patience, self-dependence, sense of responsibility, resourcefulness, mutual love and cooperation, etc. This method is maxim of teaching like learning by doing and learning by living. Therefore, what to be learnt in project method is learnt by doing. That is a very practical way. In project method, the problem concerned actual life activities are undertaken. Therefore, it provides sufficient training to the student to their learning in the practical life. Then there are some demerits of the project. First, project method provide many challenges to the teacher in charge right from the selection of the project till its execution. Project method is uneconomical method in the sense that the time, labor and amount spent in this method is quite larger than return not received. It is not organized and systematic teaching is possible in the project method. Project method put obstacle in term of the coverage of lengthy school syllabus. In India, our school can neither afford sufficient money nor provide appropriate personnel for teaching with project method. For using this method, suitable textbooks are also not available. Schools are overcrowded and the educational structure is examination oriented. This is all about the project method. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.